Do you want this? Let me show you how you can make this for yourself. Okay, for the first one, you need to add a title. For example, travel. I fix the size as I like. Now you search a track math key. I searched before. Drag this and put on your video, not your title. Okay, your video. This one. Now you should come to effect control. If you can't see this panel, you can come in window and effect control. Change this math to your video lane. For example, my title is on lane 2. So I change this to video 2 and that's it. As you see, it's great now. Also, you can again change the size or anything you want. And next step, you need to use your title here in Essential Graphics. If you can see this again, you can find it here, Essential Graphics. After that, use on your title and here come down and on shadow. You need to put it on 70, it's good, and it should be 110. So next step, I need to increase an adjustment layer like this. So I put it on here above my text. Now I select on my adjustment layer. I'm gonna put an exposure to max, contrast here, highlights here, shadows too. I want to see the city better. So that's it, it's enough. Now I just need to make mask. So make sure you use your adjust layer and in opacity, I use on this shape. Now I need to change angle like this. You can do this like me. And now I'm gonna put this here. Your CTI should be the first of the video. Select on your mask, select on toggle animation on mask path, and you can go now everywhere you want and put this shape like this. That's it. It's very beautiful, huh? Also, you can change the speed. If you want to be faster, make keyframes closer together like this. Look at this. You can change this shadow to bigger or smaller. Just select on your adjustment layer and here, mask feather 17. 17, yes, 17 is great. And now expansion right here. 6 is good for that. Review again. If you liked this video, please like video and subscribe channel. And in the comments, tell me what training you would like to know. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.